Hey friends, welcome to Cabin and Cottage. Step into this stunning restoration, hardware-inspired home where winter modern industrial vibes meet refined classic luxury. Polished concrete floors, smoky gray walls, and steel beams create cozy elegance in every space. Get ready for a dreamy tour that'll spark your design dreams. Step into this foyer and feel instantly welcomed. Sunlight dances across polished concrete floors, highlighting that sleek black marble console with brass accents. Smoky gray walls add cozy depth, while steel beams overhead give a cool industrial vibe. It's like the house is hugging you hello with refined luxury. Perfect spot to kick off shoes after a chilly day. Winter light makes everything glow softly. Love how the mirror bounces that brightness around. Crown molding ties it all classic. No fuss, just elegant entry magic that sets the tone. Imagine sinking into those tufted velvet sofas in the living room. Natural light floods in, warming the taupe fabrics against smoky walls. Brass coffee table shines beside the grand fireplace. Steel beams add rugged charm up high. It's luxury you can touch, with concrete floors grounding the space. Cozy chats here feel upscale, yet comfy. Winter sun highlights every texture beautifully. Symmetrical layout invites gatherings. Feels like a high-end retreat without trying too hard. Pure refined bliss. Curl up in the family room for movie nights. Plush sectional hugs you tight under that winter sunlight. Media unit with brass details organizes the fun. Woven rug softens concrete floors nicely. Gray plaster walls feel snug. Steel beams keep it edgy. Casual vibes meet classic polish everywhere. Light plays on linen fabrics so invitingly. Perfect for family downtime with a luxe twist. No stiff formality here. Just warm, lived-in comfort that flows. Gather around the dining table for special meals. Ebony wood gleams under sunlight, white linens crisp and ready. Brass chandelier sparkles above marble centerpiece. High-back velvet chairs promise comfort. Smoky walls and crown molding elevate the scene. Concrete floors reflect that natural glow. Steel beams add subtle strength. Winter light makes it all magazine perfect. Elegant symmetry for memorable dinners. Feels sophisticated yet approachable. Whip up feasts in this dream kitchen. Marble island begs for breakfast chats, brass faucets gleaming. Matte black cabinets hide high-end gear perfectly. Sunlight pours over concrete floors, lighting smoky walls. Steel beams overhead scream modern edge. Layout flows like a pro chef's. Winter rays make veined surfaces pop. Leather stools invite lingering. Every detail whispers luxury. Cooking here feels effortless and chic. Sneak into the butler's pantry for coffee bliss. Open brass shelves display cups so prettily in sunlight. Marble counter perfect for prep, sink tucked neatly. Gray walls cozy up the space, crown molding adds grace. Concrete floor stays practical. Steel beams give industrial cool. Winter light warms the porcelain shine. Refined spot for morning rituals. Quick and luxe, no mess. Your daily brew station upgraded. Wake up refreshed in the master bedroom. King bed with tufted headboard looks so plush. Sunlight bathes linen layers through big windows. Brass tables hold marble lamps elegantly. Smoky plaster walls soothe. Steel beams add character. Concrete floors keep it grounded. Winter glow softens, everything just right. Serene escape with classic touches. Feels like a five-star hotel at home. Pure, restful luxury. Organize outfits effortlessly in this walk-in closet. Built-in wardrobes with brass pulls invite browsing. Marble shelves gleam under sunlight. Velvet drawers for delicates. Island centerpiece shines. Gray walls feel spacious. Steel beams overhead bold. Concrete floors practical yet polished. Winter light highlights every texture. Luxe storage without chaos. Island top lights up accessories perfectly. Dream wardrobe heaven. Freshen up at the vanity area. Dual marble tops with brass basins sparkle in sunlight. Beveled mirrors reflect glow beautifully. Smoky walls frame it cozily, crown molding elegant. Concrete floor clean and simple. Steel beams add modern grit. Winter daylight makes veining pop. Grooming spot feels spa-like. Refined details everywhere. Quick glam sessions made joyful. Tuck kids into their bedrooms sweetly. Twin beds with neutral linens await dreams. Brass nightstands add subtle shine. Sunlight fills the play desk area nicely. Gray plaster walls playful yet polished. Steel beams overhead adventurous. Concrete floors durable for fun. Winter light warms the space gently. Classic shell with kid-friendly charm. Grows with them beautifully. Host friends in the guest bedroom comfortably. Queen bed piled with plush duvet calls for rest. Brass lamps on marble tables glow softly. Sunlight streams through windows invitingly. Smoky walls neutral and welcoming. Steel beams give quiet strength. Concrete floors easy care. Winter hues make it cozy. Hospitality at its finest. Feels like home away from home. Dive into work in the home office library. Leather-top desk with brass lamp inspires focus. Bookshelves tower with ebony frames full of stories. Sunlight illuminates spines warmly. Gray walls concentrate the mind. Steel beams overhead motivational. Concrete floors steady your steps. Winter light perfect for reading. Refined workspace flows creatively. Productivity meets luxury seamlessly. Unwind on the backyard terrace lazily. Modular sofa circles, marble fire pit table cozily. Sunlight hits neutral fabrics just right. Brass planters with evergreens add life. Concrete extends from inside smoothly. Gray plaster walls connect seamlessly. Steel beams frame the view. Winter air crisp and inviting. Indoor-outdoor, living perfected. Lounge, spot dreams are made of. Stroll the backyard garden peacefully. Concrete paths wind through manicured evergreens nicely. Marble bench perfect for quiet moments. Brass water feature trickles softly. Sunlight crisp on gravel beds. House rear with gray plaster peaks warmly. Steel accents tied industrial. Boxwoods frame luxury serenity. Winter plantings minimal yet lush. Tranquil escape right outside. Nature meets refined style. We've explored this cohesive beauty from foyer to garden. Polished concrete flows everywhere, smoky grays with crown molding wrap it warmly, steel beams at edge, all bathed in winter sunlight. Love it? Hit like, subscribe for more inspo, and comment your fave room below. See you next time.